Everybody, Scouts Train Spotter 1999 here, and today I am at Earlestown, and the train that brought me in was a 319-380, and there should be a train passing which is a first class Penang 185 Zara, which they're not called Desros anymore, which I did think, and I can hear something. No, I just think that's a house party. Anyway, that's off to somewhere. Warrington Banky, that's where it is. God, what am I thinking today? A nice disused platform here, looking really fantastic. Anyway, you'll be seeing services by Arriva Trains Wales, Northern Rail and First Class Penang Express. So, let's see what will arrive and depart. And there it did go past, I think. That looked a lot like
St Helens Junction,
185143.
Wiston, Highton, Roving.
One second, can I see? Can I get a view from up here? I'm not 100% sure because this station is a real kerfuffle, especially with what goes on here, because it's a big junction. I'll have a look now. Nope, that's a one. I hear a 1319. I'll leave the thingy for a second. There it is.
Platform 4 of the 1428 Arriva Trains Wales service to Manchester Piccadilly.
Here we are, just as it's departing. Let's see what it is. It is 319365. And let's let it depart and we will go to platform 4. And as I just arrive into platform 4 and 5, the 175, which takes us to Manchester Piccadilly, has arrived. It's 1751 subclass. That's all I know for a fact. And it's 175106. And absolutely everybody on that train has just decided to give me a look of death. Excellent. Right, so this is probably where I'm train spotting for now. It's probably the best place I can train spot because you've got the Liverpool to Manchester line there, and then you've got the linkway to the West Coast main line here. So this is where I make a nest. And the train is well, it's not going that fast, but it's a 319-362. Also known as Northern Powerhouse. And that is heading to Manchester Airport on a fast express service. So I think now that's speeding along quite nicely now. I think there's going to be a break for about 20 minutes now, especially at this. And there should be a few more passing trains, so let's have a look on real train times. We're now approaching platform 5. Well, I wasn't in time to say the train was approaching platform 2 because it was going that fast. That was 185129, as I seen there. Very quick indeed. And then there should be a train coming, just bobbing over its head at platform 1 very soon. And the train is going to pass, well, it isn't passing, it stopped at Earlestown, but it's passing here, is going to be another 319 off to Manchester Victoria. 366. Gaining speed nicely. And there should be... Okay. And the train now approaching platform 3 is the 1501 Northern Service to Liverpool Lime Street. I'm not going to say calling that because I did sound like a train operator announcer. And thanks to the company that's blocking me, I cannot really get... I can't see that. What is the number? I'm gonna have a look through the hedges. It's 365. And here we have a class 175. Oh my god, today's not going well. 158. There we go. And this is off to London now. 158832 in Arriva Trains Wales colours. It's a pretty nice train, that I do have to admit, especially because most sprinters do lack of the way they look, but that one, top notch. And it looks like it's ready to depart now. That's actually quite a nice sunset, that. But anyway, let's concentrate on the train leaving. There we go. Train now approaching, well, passing, is going to be a 319 bound for Liverpool Lime Street. (319-379) with a 2-ton. Thanks very much to the driver there. Okay, we have a train approaching off to Liverpool Lime Street. It's a 319, as it always is now. It's a 376, and there should be a train that's passing. I'm not sure if that's coming yet, so I will wait a second on that. And here we have the class 185 133, which is off to Newcastle. And that's pretty much that on the Liverpool, because the last train will be here. And the last train of the day is a little treat. We have a DVT paired with a class 67. It's always good to have DVTs here, because there was one in my very old video Patrickcroft which I deleted because it was a load of crap. Looks so fantastic, that it is. 82.307 at the front, and I'll catch the 67 on her departure. And it looks like 82.37 is ready to leave. This looks very quiet, that. I was expecting it to have noise. But yeah, there's a driver van trailer, so 37014, and as she goes on, I shall go myself. Thanks all very much for watching. It's always been a pleasure for everyone to watch. If you like it by any meanable chance, please like. If you like it, completely subscribe, but that's your choice. I'm not going to force you. Also, comment on any stations or any stuff that you want me to talk about. Anyway, Earlestown, it's been a fantastic station this. It's always good to see the DVT 67s here by Arriva. It's a bit of an unangled station this, because I wanted to catch some of the freight that came through at platform 3. I mean, there was only 2-3 freight, I'm not sure, but it was a struggle to catch them because I was at the end of there, and that was the best place to get vantage points for everything. But oh well, maybe next time if I come I'll go over there, or I might make another video dedicated to over there. Anyway, from me here at Earlestown, I'm off. Goodbye.